Sabi nila, kapag in love ka, tumitigil ang mundo mo. Bumibilis ang tibok ng puso mo. At hindi ka makahinga.
Uy, pwede ko mo kayo number mo? Ang pangalan mo? Ayaw mo ako.
It is simple to fall in love. However, let us not forget the consequences if we act irresponsibly.
Hello, I am Dr. McStuffin, and I'm here to save you and educate you about teenage pregnancy, sexually transmitted diseases, and infections. And did you know, according to the statistics, that majority of young women who were pregnant in 2022 are 13% of 19 years old, 6% of 18 years old, and 6% as well of 17 years old.
But Doc, how do we prevent this from happening?
Well, we have other ways to prevent this, such as this one, contraceptive tablets, the IUDs, and condoms, such as this. And then this has been proven already, and according to NHS in 2022, that condoms protects against pregnancy, sexually transmitted diseases, and infections. And it has 98% efficacy rate, which means that 1 out of every 100 person who uses condom as a contraceptive prevents pregnancy.
What is the best way to inform people about these things, Doc?
The first thing we could do is to strengthen and make sure that everybody receives proper sex education. The next one is that the youth can start by learning names for body parts, consent, and body safety.
I think I like you already even though we just met.
Magbabola.
No, yun yung tinatawag nilang love at first sight.
Pare-pares lang kayo mga lalaki. Sa una lang magaling.
Pwes, sibayin mo ako, iba ako sa kanila. Pag nagmahal ka, baka mahulog ka sa akin.
Bakit mo talaga ako? Ikaw ba baby?
Anong ABC? Ito naman parang lahat ginagawang biro.
Kasi is to obtain kung saan. And we need to control ourselves to not do things na we will regret later on. While B is for be faithful kasi one of the ways we can lower the risk of sexually transmitted disease and infection is having only one partner. And this should really be given kasi try mo lang mag-cheat pag naging tayo, kukondomin kita. And lastly, for C